In this video, I will show you how to use PayPal in Apex Legends without any credit card, debit card or bank account needed. Before we dive into the knowledge of this video, I'd like to ask you guys for a favour. Can you please subscribe here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel? I upload a variety of content surrounding three main niche: gaming, editing and online money. And in this online money / gaming video, I'm going to show you how to use PayPal inside of Apex Legends without any credit, debit card or bank account needed. Now that you've subscribed, let's get into the content and I'll show you exactly how this works and how you can do this today. Here we are inside of Apex Legends. Make sure that you are logged in to the correct Xbox Live account that has the payment source connected. Once you're inside Apex Legends, you are going to want to make your purchases for your items, cosmetics and skins. We are going to be doing this using a PayPal account with no bank account, credit or debit card connected or needed. If you need to create a PayPal account with no bank account, credit or debit card needed, check out the video up in the cards right now. If you've already done this and you've been following the Anthony Allen YouTube channel, you will already have your PayPal account ready. The next stage is to connect that PayPal account to your Xbox Live account. There is also a video in the description and up in the cards up above to show you how to do this. Once you've completed both of those actions, you're here at this stage in Apex Legends. Let's go into the store. You can see various items and cosmetics that you can purchase in the Apex Legends store, but you will need the currency Apex coins in order to purchase these items. That's what we're going to do now. We're going to purchase our Apex coins so we can make a purchase within Apex Legends. So let's go up to the Apex coin section right here. This is where the Apex coins are now located in Season 10 of Apex Legends, but it will also be somewhere similar in new seasons. I'm going to select this now. Here is where you can make your purchases for your Apex coins. We're going to go for 1000 coins, but you can go for 2000, 4000, 6000 or 10,000 Apex Legends coins that will cost you the accompanying local currency. Your local currency will be how much you need to pay in order to purchase this amount of coins in the game. Now we're going to move over to 1000 coins as that is the purchase that I'm intending to make right now. I'm going to select this. This will then open up a payment options screen. You are now ready to pay for your Apex coins so you can make your purchases within Apex Legends. The payment source that is currently selected is not the one I want to use. I want to use my PayPal account that is connected to my Xbox Live account. Move up to the payment source and press A. This will also be similar on PlayStation and you would make your selection accordingly. I'm going to press A now. And I'm now going to select the correct payment source, which is our PayPal account with no bank account, credit or debit card connected. I have now selected the PayPal account and we're about to make this purchase. From here, it's as easy as pie. Select Buy. And within just a few moments you will see that the purchase has now been made. Let's move back and I'll show you the Apex Legends coins now added to the account, which you might have just seen, and we also have a notification. Received premium currency. You received 1000 Apex coins. So we now have 1000 Apex coins and we can make a purchase within Apex Legends. For example, this target practice is something that I have been having a look at as a sort of emote that you can do while you are skydiving in Apex Legends. I'm going to make this purchase now. Eureka! You have now made the purchase within Apex Legends using a PayPal account with no bank account, credit or debit card connected. What we're going to do now is we're going to get into a game of Apex Legends and I'm going to show you this emote in action. I'm now going to show you this item in action in Apex Legends. We're about to load into a game. I'm going to select Bangalore and I'm going to show you our brand new emote. Jumping in now, we want to look for Bangalore. We're last to select. Hopefully the second player does not select Bangalore. There we go, we can now select Bangalore and I'll show you this emote that we have just purchased in action. I'm also going to get into a nice position because I'm going to play the game. Apex Legends, baby. We've just made our purchase. I'll show you the purchase in action.
What can I say?
Stay on me.
This Bloodsport really
Looks like I'm Jump Master. I'm also going to turn up my headsets.
We should land there. Looks like fun.
I'm ready.
Hold on tight. It's time to drop shot.
Check out the emotes.
Hell yeah!
Oh, yeah, get wind up!
We have just made this purchase. Looking good. You have now seen the purchase that we have made within Apex Legends using a PayPal account with no bank account, credit or debit card needed. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and check out the videos that I have on screen right now here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. You're amazing and I'd like to help you guys even more. Thank you for watching.